Emery. I wanted to have a quick chat about spillover again. I know I just did one on spillover, but I'm very excited today because of two things. So first of all, my matrix continues to grow. So I'm just going to bob into the matrix list for you and just show you my numbers here. So those of you that have been following know that I pay for both my own and my wife's membership. So we have $20 a month, $9.95 times 2 going out every month. But as of today, if you have a look here, I've got 2 and 4, 6, 14, 30, 41, 53, 60, 66, 73, 80, 82 people in the matrix, which at 25 cents each is enough to more than cover the $20 that I'm paying for both mine and my wife's memberships. In other words, Livegood's now not only not costing me everything every month, but I'm making money. But I'm in profit every month from here on in. And at the rate it's growing, I don't see Livegood going away anywhere soon. This is only going to keep growing, keep making more money. So again, those that know that I haven't recruited anybody for a little while. I've been playing with products and working on my YouTube and those kinds of things. But this, I think, is a really exciting message. It shows that spillover works. Again, for those that haven't been following, of those 82 people, I've only recruited 8 of them, and none of them have recruited anybody else. So it's all spillover apart from those 8. I'll go back to my regular matrix view now because I want to show you something else. I actually spoke to somebody earlier today that I haven't spoken to in a while who joined very early on with me. So this person here is my friend Emrit, and I'm just going to go into her stats and show you. So again, Emrit hasn't recruited anybody. None of the people that I recruited have recruited anybody. She joined in April, probably the same week that I joined, where I signed up my first 4 people. But let's just look at her numbers. So she's got 6, 10, 17, 23, 28, 35, 42, 44 people. Now at 40, you're making the $10 a month back at 25 cents each. So she's got 44. She's making $1 a month profit, and she hasn't done a thing. And again, this is only going to grow. People under her are recruiting, people above her are recruiting. This spillover effect is going to get stronger for her, but she's making money already. She joined in April. So where are we? May, June, July, August, September, October, November, 7 months. She's just sat there for 7 months and done nothing. And here she is now making a profit every month. Obviously, when I spoke to her today, I reminded her that if she recruits 2 people, she'll get back the original $50 she put in, and then she won't be losing any money at all. But that's up to her. She can just sit there and wait for this to grow, and it will, I'm sure, more than outstrip anything she spent. So, as I say, I'm a big fan of spillover. I think, we were given quite strong messaging that we shouldn't sell based on this, but I've just shown you 2 examples from quite a small group. As I say, I've only recruited 8 people. So yeah, there's 2 out of the 9 of us that are in profit already within 6-7 months. I was actually in profit on mine within about 6 weeks because I recruited people, but now the first of my people is making money. I've got others who are going to be there soon because their matrices are growing. Matrices. I'll let you tell me on that one in the comments. Coming to which, if you like this content, please give me a like. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing that. And if you've got comments, thoughts, questions, stick them in the comments. Thank you very much. Talk soon. Bye-bye.